loves, welcome back to the channel. So today I will be installing this 13x4 Kinky straight lace frontal wig on an HD lace from HyHairWigs. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So first off, I'm going to start off by cutting off the lace. Now this wig did not come with a pre-plucked hairline. So for today's look, I am going to be doing a middle part. Now, even though this wig did not come with a pre-plucked hairline, I do want to say the HD lace on this wig is pretty good, and I like the parting space on this wig. So because this wig is a thick texture, again, this is a kinky texture, I am having to go in and press out the hair a lot with a lot of heat just to get that more straight pressed out look. And so here I'm going in with the hot comb, just pressing out the hairline so I know exactly what I'm working with. So now that I have the hairline and the wig pressed out and flat, I'm going to go in with a blow dryer to help straighten this wig a little bit more. Again, this is a 180% 18-inch kinky lace frontal wig, so the density and the thickness and fullness on this wig is a lot. So just going in with the blow dryer is just going to help with getting a more straight pressed out look when it's time to straighten the hair. If you guys can see the difference of blow drying the hair, but this texture is just as beautiful as straightening the hair. So the one thing I love about kinky texture is you can wear it in so many different ways, and it's going to give a natural look regardless of how you wear it. So after I'm done blow drying my hair, I'm going to go in with a flat iron, and I'm going to section off the hair just to make sure I get every strand. quick comparison so you guys can see what the texture looks like if you only want to blow dry the hair, or if you want to blow dry and straighten the hair, what you can expect with this type of texture. Like I said, either way you decide to wear this hair is going to give a very beautiful natural look. So I'm going to go ahead and take the headband off and start on my hairline. Okay, so again, remember this wig is 180% density, so I am struggling a little bit with the baby hairs as far as like trying to swoop it in and not have such a thick hairline. So I am going to go in with some concealer just to clean up the wig a little bit and give the wig more definition, like as far as like where the scalp is. Okay, and this is the final look, and of course the wig turned out pretty as it should with this texture. As you can see, the wig is super flat and the hair is pretty much straightened for the most part. So definitely make sure you check out that description bar because the Black Friday sale is going on right now, and if you've been wanting to get your hands on this kinky texture wig, now is the perfect time to do so. So thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one, of course. Bye.